Hey there, it's time for another episode of AI Advisor Tools, where we help you as a financial advisor save time, save money, and show you the latest AI tools to better scale and grow your financial practice. AI Advisor Tools, of course, is brought to you by the Fiduciary Alliance. Today's tool that we're going to be featuring is called, are you ready for this? Drum roll, please, because it's probably going to surprise you a little bit. It's called Microsoft Bing. Needle across the record. What are you talking about? Yes. Microsoft Bing, okay? And I'm going to help you how using Bing, especially in Microsoft Edge as a browser, will help you dramatically improve your searches and the information that you're finding, okay? I'm a big fan of Microsoft Edge. I know a lot of you remember Microsoft Internet Explorer. It was an absolute disaster. Google came out with Chrome. We all transitioned to Chrome, right? Microsoft just killed Internet Explorer, started over from the beginning with Edge. It's a great browser. It's fast, it's secure. But the beauty of it is, you may not know this, but Microsoft owns a pretty good chunk of OpenAI and Chat GPT. So they actually own a chunk of that. And because of that, they're able to integrate that a little bit into Bing and their searches. So it's for free. It's right there, and you get access to some really cool AI tools that allow you to search. All right. So let's go ahead and take a dive into that. Again, my name is Brian Bogner. I'm an independent financial advisor just like you. And these are the many of the tools that I use right in my own practice. Okay. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the link below, click like below, and you can stay updated on our weekly episodes. We put out one of these episodes each and every week. So let's go ahead and dive into this tool, right? I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So let me do that. Where is my screen share? There you are, big green button. All right. So what I did is I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and go to Chat GPT and I'm going to type in, and if you remember from one of our other videos, we always tell you that, right, 3 prompts when you're using Chat GPT. Tell it who you want it to be, right? What kind of expert is it? What is your task or your question? And then how do you want it to give you the results? So I tell Chat GPT, I say, hey, act as a financial advisor. What are the, and again, we get this question a lot, right? Oh, what are the income limits for Roth IRA contributions? And what are the contribution limits? Sometimes I'm like, oh, shoot, wait, what is it again? And are we at 6,000, 6,500, whatever, this and that and whatnot. So I went ahead and told Chat GPT, I said, hey, act as a financial advisor. What are the income limits? All right, you can read this here and list the results as a table. And here's the output I got. Here's the problem. Chat GPT only goes to September 2021. So the last couple of years, it's not going to be in there. And it even tells you, my last update, September 2021. Well, guess what? The max contribution is $6,000. So it did what I told it to do. It listed everything here, but these are 2021 numbers, right? So we're not getting accurate data here. So you have to be really careful. Always remember, when you start talking about current things or trying to get ChatGPT to give you some stuff on that, it only goes to 2021. So always keep that in mind. Now, let's go ahead and use this tool with Bing. So I'm using Microsoft Edge here. I'm gonna do, for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna go ahead. I say kicks and giggles a lot on this, and I apologize for that, but it's just something I like to say. So you just have to bear with me. But I'm going to take this sentence out. I'm going to just ask Bing. I'm going to say, what are the income limits and what are the contribution limits? So I'm going to hit enter. All right. So it's going to go ahead and give me a lot of links here. You can click on, and this is typically like whether you're doing a Google search or a Bing search, and then you got to click on the link and then you got to scroll around and find the answer. Well, what's interesting, and actually this chat function here, you can do the same thing. Well, look, it's already doing it for me. So it's taking this question that I asked, okay, and it's actually generating for me a AI response using the OpenAI ChatGPT engine. And it's right here in the search that I just did, like a normal search on a browser, just like you normally do. So it's already feeding that in together and you're getting that result. Now let's go a step further. If I come over here and I click on this really cool little B sign, okay, all right, what happens is in my browser, I can interact with it strictly as an AI tool. And I've already done this. So I actually took the original question back when I asked, I said, act as a financial advisor. What are the income limits? List the results as a table. Okay. And here's what it did. It said searching, okay, generating answers. And The income limits are as follows. And it's giving me now correct numbers for 2023. And it was a little annoying for me because it was like, what's the contribution limit? Up to the limit, a reduced amount, zero, whatever. So I'm not getting necessarily the best results I wanted to get, but it is listing it as a table. But at the bottom, it says the contribution limits for 2023 are 6,500 and 7,500. So it is correct on that. So it's actually giving me real time data here for that. So we'll go ahead and wrap this episode up. I just wanted to show you that I know you might lose some cool factor, okay, using Edge along with Bing, right? Because Google Chrome and Google Search has a better cool factor, I would imagine, than using this. But this is a way. You don't even have to go to OpenAI and log in. You know, I mean, this is free, guys. I mean, I'm assuming a lot of you are already using 365 for your email and things like that. This is already integrated in all of that. And you can start, well, it's not integrated in Office, but I'm just saying if you're using Edge, you can actually use your 365 login. You can get in and this stuff's there. And it will also, you know, as you're logged in, it's going to start, you know, remembering things and things like that. That's how all this AI stuff works as well, and make things easier for you. So, so that being said, Bing is actually a pretty decent tool when you just need to get some information really, really, really quick. All right. So as always, AI Advisor Tools, of course, is brought to you by the Fiduciary Alliance. You know, we help, Fiduciary Alliance helps financial advisors transition to independence, gets them out of that bad situation they're in, gives them the tools, the solutions they need to grow and scale their practice as well. So you can always find more at fiduciaryalliance.org. And I want to thank you so much for watching this episode, and we'll be back to you with another one here real soon. Have a great day.